My name is Rachel.
And my name's Sam.
And
we're
we're
second year medical radiation sciences students. For our psycho application video, we're going to be doing some of dance stairs, like seen on Ellen. Let's go!
Bill by the science guy.
Science rules.
Bill by the science guy.
Inertia is a property of matter.
Bill by the science guy.
T minus 7 seconds.
Bill by the science guy.